Hello and welcome, savvy seekers and curious minds. Today we are delving into a topic that affects us all, but is rarely discussed openly: the startling financial statistics of the average person. In a world where wealth seems abundant and financial advice is at our fingertips, you'll be surprised at the reality faced by the majority. From staggering debt to inadequate savings, the numbers paint a picture that may shock you. But fear not, for awareness is the first step towards change. Stay tuned as we uncover these alarming statistics and explore how they impact real lives just like yours. The debt dilemma. In today's financial landscape, the specter of debt looms large over the average person, casting a shadow that extends far beyond mere numbers on a balance sheet. This debt dilemma, a pervasive issue across demographics, reveals a troubling trend of accumulating liabilities that range from credit cards to student loans, significantly impacting financial freedom and well-being. Consider the story of Emily, a dedicated teacher whose aspirations for a better future led her to pursue higher education. Like many in her shoes, Emily emerged with a diploma in one hand and a substantial amount of student loan debt in the other. Eager to build her life, she also found herself relying on credit cards for unforeseen expenses, believing she could manage the payments. However, as interest accrued and monthly payments became increasingly burdensome, Emily's financial situation grew dire. Her story is emblematic of the debt dilemma faced by many, a cycle of borrowing and repayment that becomes a pervasive part of one's financial existence. Emily's experience underscores not just the personal struggle with debt, but also the broader societal issue. The ease of access to credit, coupled with a lack of financial literacy, has led many to accumulate debt without a clear plan for repayment. This issue is compounded by high interest rates that can make escaping debt seem like an insurmountable challenge. For Emily and countless others, the debt dilemma is not merely about financial missteps, but about a system that too often encourages borrowing as a quick fix rather than fostering understanding and responsible financial planning. What Emily's story teaches us is multifaceted. On one level, it highlights the critical need for financial education, an understanding of how debt works, the impact of interest rates, and the importance of creating a repayment strategy. On another, it illustrates the emotional and psychological toll of carrying significant debt, affecting not just one's current financial health, but also future aspirations and security. The debt dilemma, therefore, is more than a financial statistic, it's a call to action. It's a reminder of the importance of living within one's means, seeking education on financial matters, and approaching borrowing with caution and foresight. For individuals like Emily, navigating out of debt is not just about making payments, but about fundamentally shifting one's relationship with money. Recognizing the true cost of debt and taking determined steps toward a more secure financial future. If you are enjoying the video, hit the subscribe button and comment if you are aware of this debt dilemma. If you want to explore money-making strategies, click the link in the description to start your financial journey. The savings shortfall. In the contemporary financial narrative, a startling plot twist often goes unnoticed. The savings shortfall, a widespread predicament where individuals find themselves precariously perched on the edge of financial vulnerability due to inadequate emergency funds. This shortfall is not just a statistical oversight, but a significant risk factor for financial instability. The story of the Johnson family serves as a poignant illustration of this dilemma. Living the archetypal middle-class life, the Johnsons manage their finances with a semblance of balance, navigating the regular expenses of suburban living. However, beneath this veneer of financial normalcy lurked an unsettling reality: the absence of substantial emergency fund. Like many families, they operated under the assumption that they could handle whatever life threw the way until an unexpected medical emergency shattered this illusion. Faced with mounting medical bills and the regular onslaught of monthly expenses, the Johnsons were propelled into a financial maelstrom, forced to rely on high-interest credit cards and loans, thus exacerbating the financial strain. The Johnsons' ordeal brings to light a critical aspect of financial planning, often overshadowed by more immediate concerns: the vital importance of an emergency savings fund. Experts advocate for a reserve sufficient to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses, a guideline designed to provide a buffer against unforeseen financial shocks. However, the reality for many, as highlighted by the Johnsons' experience, falls significantly short of this ideal. The savings shortfall is alarming not merely for its immediate implications but for its potential to precipitate a cascade of financial difficulties, transforming manageable situations into crises. It underscores the necessity of prioritizing savings not as an afterthought but as a foundational element of financial planning. Cultivating a savings habit, even in small, manageable increments, can fortify individuals and families against the financial storms of life. The Johnson story is a cautionary tale, emphasizing the need for a paradigm shift in how we approach savings. It's a compelling argument for the importance of building and maintaining an emergency fund as a cornerstone of financial security. In doing so, we not only protect ourselves from the unforeseen, but also grant ourselves the peace of mind and financial flexibility to navigate life's challenges with confidence. Investment inertia. Investment inertia, a pervasive phenomenon affecting a significant portion of the population, reflects a hesitancy to engage with the market, often born out of fear, misunderstanding, or a sense of inadequacy in financial knowledge. This reluctance to invest can have profound implications, not only limiting individuals' potential for wealth growth, but also exacerbating financial disparities over time. Under the narrative of Alex, a person who embodies the transformative journey from investment inertia to proactive financial engagement. Initially, Alex viewed the stock market with trepidation, equating investment with gambling and perceiving it as a realm reserved for the affluent or the expert. This perception kept him on financial sidelines, saving his money in traditional bank accounts with minimal interest, unaware of the opportunities he was missing. However, Alex's perspective began to shift following a series of conversations with financially savvy friends and a personal commitment to demystify the investment process. He started small, dedicating time to understanding basic investment principles and gradually overcoming his inertia. Alex's initial foray into investing was through a no-cost index fund, a decision grounded in his newfound understanding of the market's historical trends and the power of diversification. This deliberate step marked the beginning of Alex's investment journey, transforming his relationship with money and compounding his wealth over time. His story highlights a crucial lesson. Overcoming investment inertia isn't about making grandiose moves or having a hefty sum to start with. It's about taking the first step, however small, and allowing the process of learning and growing to drive further engagement with the market. Alex's experience illuminates the barriers that investment inertia creates, not only in terms of missed financial opportunities, but also in fostering a sense of disempowerment toward personal finance. By taking control of his financial destiny, Alex not only witnessed the growth of his investments, but also experienced a profound shift in his financial confidence and outlook. Investment inertia, therefore, represents a critical juncture in personal finance. Overcoming it requires not just financial education, but a change in mindset from viewing investment as a distant or dangerous prospect to recognizing it as an essential tool for financial growth and security. Alex's journey from inertia to action exemplifies the empowering effect of embracing investment, underscoring the message that with the right knowledge and approach, the market is not a place to fear, but a landscape of opportunity. And there you have it. The financial statistics of the average person can be alarming, indeed, but they also serve as a wake-up call. Amidst that dilemma, the Johnson family's savings shortfall and Alex's initial investment inertia are all too common stories. Yet, each story also carries hope and a lesson on the power of taking control of one's financial destiny. Remember, knowledge is power and action is the key. Let these statistics not dishearten you, but inspire you to make a change, no matter how small. Thank you for joining us on this eye-opening journey. Until next time, stay informed, stay inspired, and take charge of your financial future. If you like this type of content, then press the like button and subscribe to our channel.